cats and kittens? It's your girl Carol Baskin. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that we would just get ready together because I'm actually doing a face beat. I can go on TikTok which you should follow me on TikTok down below, and I'll put all my details down below. I was actually just going to get ready. I just feel like I haven't done my makeup in a long time and I just wanted to be snatched a bit, just a bit. So that's exactly what we're doing today. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, hey family, hope you're doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are staying at home. Let's get into this. So I'm just going to be doing my brows quickly. I'm going to be using the Beauty Hyper Pro eyebrow palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here, a mixture of this shade and this shade right here. I like to use the darker side on the edge, on the outer, not the outer corners, no, on the outside. And then when we move closer to the inside, I like to use a lighter color. It's just how I like recently started loving doing that because it just looks like so much better. So that's what I'm doing now. So now I'll go in with the lighter color and I just feel like it looks better. And it looks like kind of like it's fading out. I don't know. It just makes sense to me. Okay. Lash and brow, clear lash and brow mascara. So I'm going to clean my brows with the LA Girl Concealer in Fawn. So I'm just going to moisturize my face. So what I like to do is take some translucent powder. This is what I'm going to be using. Then after that, you want to go in with like a spray, and I'm using the LA Girl Primer spray. So you go in with a primer, whichever primer you use. I've actually just been going for this foundation for I think the past 2 videos or past 1 video, whatever. But I really enjoy this video, like this foundation. Just 2 drops each, and then blend it in with my I think this is a Switch Beauty brush. Now what we do is we take a puff, take our translucent powder, and we go ham and we set everything in place. I love a puff actually. I've realized that a puff can make your makeup look so flawless. Then I like to just go in with a beauty blender or whatever and just make sure that everything is not so white. My bronzer. This bronzer is from Colourpop and I'm so in love with it. Now going in with the Beauty Hyper Pro Blush palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here. And then I'm going in with my Hidden. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go in with lashes. These are the Eylure Dramatic Lashes and they are everything. So I just like to put on the glue and then I let them chill a bit. Then I think I'm gonna go into my lips. This is my LA Girl Perfect Precision lip pencil and this is in chocolate. It's such a good lip liner and it's so affordable. So what I like to do is I like to line my lips more or less, and then I like to take Brink, I think it's Brink matte, and I like to put it in the middle. And this is like the chocolatey lip that I get. Now I'm going to put on my lashes and I will be right back. So I am officially done with this makeup, and I also just straightened my hair because I've been meaning to do that for a few days, but it is what it is. I am really in love with this makeup look and I hope you guys will follow me on TikTok. And yeah, so this is the finished video and I will see you next time.